strongly think that every human being has a great possibility to take something in your own hands and base decisions that you are taking for your lifetime.
When deciding whether to spend energy pursuing something, many of us make this mistake. We don't contemplate it. Contemplate means to literally sit in silence and think deeply. We must ask ourselves and really visualize the answer to the question, where will this lead me if I begin to invest energy into it? Often, we know how to rank order priorities and make decisions, but how often do we truly contemplate our moves before we make them?
You have something in your hands. This is the one part. At the same time, I also think there is something you don't have in your hands at all. It's not in your hands. It's out of question. Like what, for example? The fact that right now, my nose in that sense, or your nose, it is the nose that our grandfather 10 generations before also already had. So now the question is, how much influence do you, how much influence do I have in deciding what nose is now here on my face? I think none. So that means there is some information that has been given to you, that has been given to me, that we were born with. You can't change it.
To find light in darkness, we must open our senses. This is because figurative darkness is much like literal darkness. We can't see. We can't see a way out. Relying on our eyes in such darkness is not enough. We need to get in touch with our other senses, to really feel things out, to find our path towards the light. Darkness is nothing more than a closed perspective. The practical approach to finding a new perspective is to spend a lot of time outdoors, under sunlight, and increase physical activity.
Other people, other humans, maybe are born with a character which is a little bit more similar to one of a tiger. This is not about now which is like now better. It's not about better. It's about to understand where is your nature coming from. What is your natural aspiration? Why? Because somebody who lives together always in the community, like a sheep, he doesn't want to become the CEO of a company and be the lonely wolf. He is happy to just have some time with the community friends, with his surroundings, and he's not interested in dominating other people. But at the same time, if you put just a few tigers together in the room, then the natural thing also happens. And some people are made to build something up, meaning they are made to lead, they are made to guide, they have the potential inside of them.
Before we begin the physical movement, we must return to stillness. It is in stillness where true transformation begins.
Today, focusing a little bit on what can you do with the breath. So let's start. Both hands, put them here on your chest. You can do this in standing position, you can also do it in sitting position. But here important is your spine is standing upright, spine is straight. Both palms, put them just here on the chest. And now on the inhalation, feel how this chest area here is expanding. So on the inhalation, exhale. Inhale, chest area. Exhale.
This technique brings awareness to your breath, pulling your mind away from distractions. It trains you to stay present, helping reduce anxiety and overthinking.
Exhale. Relax. Chest. Inhale. Exhale. Your mind here, chest area. And inhale. And exhale. 3 more times. Inhale, chest. exhale. Inhaling through the nose, inhale. And exhale. One more time, inhale chest. And exhale. Now, hands, abdomen area. This time, there's no more focusing here. Focus with the mind here. Just follow the expansion, relax the abdomen area. Don't keep any tension inside the upper body. And when we inhale in this area, focus down.
Deep Dantian breathing cultivates your life force, Qi, and stores it in the energy center, building resilience, vitality, and stamina.
Inhale through the nose. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. In. Out. Inhale through the nose. Focus here, abdomen area. Inhale. And exhale. 3 more times. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale 2 more times.
As you exhale, you're not just letting go of carbon dioxide, you're letting go of emotional tension, anger, fear, and stress. The body begins to feel lighter.
And exhale. Okay, so right now, first 2 basic ways of breathing. 1 chest breathing, 1 abdominal breathing. Now the third step that we practice is combining the 2. First we start with the belly breathing, the abdominal breathing, belly breathing. Then when the belly feels full, then you open up the chest and fill up the chest area. So, for example, first I inhale into the belly area. Now I feel it's full already. So now the chest. Now it's full. Now the chest go out first. Then the belly. Inhalation, belly first, then chest. Exhalation, empty the chest, empty the belly. So deep, deep breathing. Let's go together. Take your time, relax the body, but still the spine stays straight. And fill up as much as you can. Number 1, inhale. Exhale. And 2, inhale.
When your breathing becomes even and steady, your emotions follow. You respond to life with patience, clarity, and inner peace.
Exhale. Three, inhale. Exhale. 4, belly first, inhale. then at the chest. Reverse, chest empty first, then belly empty. 5, inhale. And reverse, exhale. Three more times, inhale.
Each breath is a soft command. Relax, release, return.
2 more times, in. Out. And 1 more time, inhale. Exhale. Okay, now that was just the breathing. Now we are combining movement, basic movement that you see actually in all Kung Fu forms, in many different styles also happening. So the arm movement. This arm movement, the location of the hands actually shows you more or less where also your intention, your mind is, and which area of the body, let's say, you have filled up. So when my hands are down here and I start to inhale, so my focus, I show you this hand here is the focus, and here. So when I inhale, see now all is up, so my hands are also up here. Then now reverse, so here I empty. And go down. Now it's finished.
In the end, you don't need to force the body to relax or the mind to be still. You just need to return to the breath. That is enough.